Triumph has expanded its entry-level Scrambler lineup with the launch of the new Scrambler 400XC, a more rugged and adventure-ready variant of the popular Scrambler 400X. One of the standout features of the Scrambler 400XC is its new tubeless, cross-spoke wheels, which retain the same 19-inch front and 17-inch rear setup as the standard model. Visually, it's been enhanced with a body-colored Flyscreen and front fender, giving it a tougher, more purposeful stance. For added durability and protection on rough terrain, the XC comes standard with an aluminium sump guard and engine crash guards. Triumph has also introduced 3 new striking colors exclusive to the XC: Racing Yellow, Storm Gray, and Vanilla White. Mechanically, the XC remains unchanged from the Scrambler 400X. It's powered by the same 398cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers 39.5 brake horsepower and 37.5 Newton-meters of torque, mated to a 6-speed gearbox. The suspension offers 150 mm of travel at both ends, and with a 195 mm ground clearance and 835 mm seat height, the XC is well suited for mild off-road adventures. The bike has a wet weight of 190 kilograms. In terms of features, the Scrambler 400XC is equipped with ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, switchable ABS, an assist and slipper clutch, and a USB charger. Priced at 2.94 lakh rupees ex-showroom, the Scrambler 400XC sits slightly above the base model, offering more kit and rugged appeal for those seeking extra capability in their urban scrambler.